In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create capital account in Zoho Books. When you put personal funds into your business, you don't want that money to show up as income. Instead, you record it as capital so it posts to equity. Here's how to do that smoothly in Zoho Books. From your Zoho Books dashboard, go to the banking module. This is where all your bank and cash accounts live, and it's the right place to record money that actually hits a real account. Next, choose the specific bank or cash account that received the funds. Double check the account name so the deposit lands in the same place as it appears on your bank statement. Picking the correct account up front saves time and keeps your reconciliation clean. Inside that account, click Add Transaction. We're creating a money in entry directly from banking because the funds are already in the account and we want them tracked immediately. From the list of transaction types, select Owner's Contribution. This option is designed for capital introduced by the owner or partners. Selecting it ensures the amount routes to equity, not to sales or other income. In the From Account field, choose Owner's Equity. This tells Zoho Books which equity ledger to credit. If your organization uses sub-accounts for different owners, select the appropriate one here so contributions are tracked to the right person. Keeping this consistent makes your balance sheet and reports much clearer later. Enter the amount you contributed. Make sure it matches your bank deposit to the SINIT and reflects the correct currency of the selected account. The contribution should represent the exact invested amount without including any bank charges or adjustments. Add a clear description. A short note like capital contribution for startup expenses or additional owner funding makes future audits and reviews easier. Include context that will help you or your accountant understand the purpose at a glance. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the transaction, increase the balance of the chosen bank or cash account, and credit your owner's equity account. You should now see the entry in your banking transactions list categorized as Owner's Contribution. That's all it takes to correctly record capital in Zoho Books. By using Owner's Contribution and posting it to Owner's Equity, you keep revenue accurate and your balance sheet properly reflects the investment you've made in the business. Thanks for watching and keep your books tidy.